Three Stooges.
Yeah.
Where's the lid for it? Is there like a pouring section on this thing?
No.
You see how it's got like the...
There's a seal. This is a seal.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, turn on the frother.
Yeah.
Maybe it's already frothing. Is the power turned on?
No. That's why Buddy was saying that the fucking light was working. The lights weren't on.
Idiot.
Okay, let's just wait to see the...
Alright, froth it
Hang on,
first.
no, I don't think you frothed the milk first.
Oh, let's try it to see if it works.
No, let's read the instructions because the milk
It's
will
going
go
to work
cold.
off. That's going to work off steam anyway.
Yeah.
So you got to get the water to boil first.
Yeah, that's right. That's why. Okay.
Hey, what's this?
Hey,
No,
hey,
that's what I.
hang on, I reckon that.
No.
No, this is for the.
Preheat coffee
Yeah,
cups,
the your
keep
espresso
coffee
shots.
warm up for longer. What are you doing giving us shit cup like that for?
I don't know. It looks funky.
It's a freaking mug.
Leave him alone, man.
So, the fuck? Alright.
It's too fucking
Just
close,
you just put it at the
man.
bottom, man.
Alright, so let's go.
Okay, put your caps
Jono,
on.
number one.
We got to wait for the water to boil first.
Do we?
Nah, I think because it's
Can you
no, it's
boil
pressurized. It's,
water?
no, it's
Pretty sure
pressurized.
it's instant.
It's pressure-
Because that's,
it's-
only that's plastic.
Yeah, it's
So that would
pressurized.
crack
It
with
goes.
boiling- with boiling
It's like a
water.
normal coffee machine at home.
So this just says fill water tank with drinking water.
That's it.
Then it says place cup.
Yeah.
Yep.
Then it says damage possible. Never use deformed capsules.
Come on.
Okay. It says insert capsule.
Man's getting tired, man.
It says open and close the lever to eject. Oh, okay. So you put that in like that.
Okay.
Alright. Then it says to
Sure that's the right way?
insert capsule.
You sure that's the right way the capsules insert it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's it.
That's it.
And then hang on.
Press.
It says
Press the coffee button.
then press the coffee button. Hang on.
Which one do you want?
Espresso or lungo? Which one's
Oh,
that's espresso? You want this one?
Lungo, yeah, I want the lungo. Whoa. Wow, look at that. Sip. Hey, froth my milk, please. Wow, smell it, Anthony?
Look at this.
Yeah. It's a red light.
I think it's gonna turn green. It's going to turn green.
And it's frothing then?
Yeah. When it's green, it's ready. You need the spoon,
Oh,
man.
it smells good. Oh my god, man, this is awesome.
I swear, if you advertise this machine, cafe will go off business.
Yeah, I'm going to be drinking a lot of coffee on the weekend. I'm going to have to go to the Nespresso store in Myer and buy some.
Yeah, in the city.
Buy
Sugar?
some straight up.
Yeah. They have it in
Sugar? What do we need
in the
sugar?
city.
You're gonna taste the coffee.
You don't have sugar?
Look at that. Look, no, I don't drink
Look
sugar.
at that. Look at that.
Look at that. That's
Alright,
like
take the
a
coffee
perfect
out.
coffee.
Yep. Hey,
Oh.
your face is.
It smells good, man.
What do you have to leave it over there? It's done.
Yeah, take out the capsule.
You know.
Hey.
No, now it's just we'll just wait until it's all finished leaking and stuff. Whoa, the milk's fucking. That's why there's a max one because the milk
Yeah,
will.
it's frothing it.
Yeah. Normally, the frothing is
It's gonna like pop.
still the best, man. The best. Even my machine at home can't do this kind of froth.
Nah, you should buy the the $749.
No,
I froth it
I'll
for you
froth it
and
for you,
and
yeah,
froth it
yeah.
for you straight away.
Yeah.
That is the shit.
Alright, so it's done.
Okay, cool.
So, I don't want to pop the lid.
Is it hot? I don't think it's hot.
No, it's alright. I'm a bit paranoid that it's gonna. Oh, it's one per cup. Yeah, it's only one cup. That's why there's a max. You might want to give it a stir. It's
Give it
gonna
a
be
stir.
real hot, man.
Yeah, it's alright. Cheers, guys.
Hot?
Bliss.
Hot? Is it hot? Or what?
No. Have a try.
That's it. It's just going to the bottom.